And my father is working as a principal in SD Signoria College. And due to that privilege, I have grown up in Hyderabad. But still, every year we go to our village. So as I go to our village, I have seen people, I have seen this situation. I have seen the situation in which the people are living there. And then I can definitely say there is an area poverty. And the most important thing about area poverty is that an inferiority complex. Because we live in tribal areas, we are isolated from the rest mainland. So we feel like we are inferior than the people who are in mainland. So this inferiority complex, it places an huge impact on the way you live up in future. So you'll be very scared for even minor things. So, but I know one person who has overcome this inferiority complex, and he is my father. And I have seen him grown from a very remotest village. So he always aims to strive for more. He always aims to grow big. So that actually inspired me. That inspired me to think big. So due to the privilege that I got, and I started thinking big and more big. So the message that I want to give to the viewers here is never lower yourself down. When you see someone better than you, try to question yourself. Can I be it? Try to pursue it. See, in life, what happens? We live, we die. In the meanwhile, the thing that we should focus is we will grow. We have to grow. So to grow is more important. And I also want to another issue. While the sir was also giving the speech, sir also mentioned there is suicides. So what happens is when you're so ambitious and when you wanted to grow more and more, what happens is you get more result oriented rather than the process oriented. The more important thing is not results, it is the process. See, I got 545 rank All India this year, but I would have been very satisfied even if I didn't get the rank, because compared to me in the last 1 year and compared to me now, I have grown a lot and I'm very satisfied. So I wanted the viewers to adopt this mindset. You focus on the process, you focus on the growth that you have. So never focus on the results. I also wanted to advise the parents, don't put pressure on the results. Just focus how they are growing and motivate them to grow. So the process is more important than the final destination, I would say. Thank you.